All right, this is my outlook on NZDJPY. It is currently Sunday, the 9th of March, and I'm bullish, but I do have a concern. Like, we came down as much as beyond the 0.886 of the last low, and we didn't take the low. And if this whole thing here is corrective or impulsive, is likely to take out the low. Now, if we was going to say, all right, cool, 1, 2, go for 3, 1, 2, go for 3, we hit the 0.886, so it would have to be an A, B, C, most likely, because the wave 2 hitting the 0.886 is very uncommon, and it's not common knowledge in the Elliott Wave industry, but it's very uncommon, and it's much more likely that it's something else, like a B wave or an X wave, or maybe something's not finished and it's going to come back down and take the low. But it's unlikely for this to be a 1 and a 2. So that's the daily. I don't, as far as if I was just looking at the daily, I don't have a strong bias as to whether it will take that low or not. To be honest, I'd need to see more price action. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Now, like I said, overall, I'm definitely bullish. It's about, is this low in? Now, let's get rid of this channel. Actually, let's speak on that channel real quick. If it was going to be a 1, 2, an impulse, yeah, if we was trying to count an impulse down from here, which I think is corrective, we don't hit the 886, so that would be a valid 2. That could be a 2. But then to get 3 and then 4 coming inside the territory of 1 is an invalidation. If you was going to try and count somehow a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we get a 4, that could work. Let's see, 1, 2. Well, no, that would not work. We'd have to have a 1, 2, 1, and then a 2, and then a 3, then a 4. Okay, that could work. So if I was 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, I've got this drawn from that potential 2 to the bottom of 3. We missed the 618. Also, if you see how we came up there, you could try and argue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but there's no real 2 there. Like half a candle, like you don't see a 3-wave decline in there, do you? I don't. So it's given more ABC. Doesn't mean it's not correct. Doesn't mean it's not impulsive. It could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 leading diagonal. So we correct and then go back up. But we haven't hit the 618 of this prior potential 2. And if we count in here a 1, 2, 1, 2 or a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that counts well. So is this a C or is this a 3? How can we know if it's a C? If it's a C, we're going up. If we take out the 618 of here to here, now this 618 has been touched, which is another reason why I'm more bullish. The 618 from this potential, let me just put the count on there now. We are the 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. So looking for 5 to go down one more time. Well, that 2 to the 3, dragging the 3 from there to there, 618 has been breached. If you want to take it off log, still been breached. So This can't be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Even if you counted 1, 2, 3 and an A, B, C, 4, it would be extremely. I just want to get this on the pivot. Extremely close. There'll be a pip gap in there. So that could be possible. I don't believe it's the case though. I really don't. Hold on. Make sure that's correct. Yeah, I don't believe that's the case. 1, 2, 1. Nah. Doesn't look correct. And this is definitely your most likely probability here. Now, I was looking at earlier from here. We could have a 1, 2. An A, B, C. Yeah, it's a zigzag. So there's your A. Then you got a B, and A, B, C, and B. Then you got your C wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Making your C wave here. We come up, we breach the 0.618. Confirmation that we're bullish. We reject the channel. All we need to see is an accumulation in here to take this higher. Now the market's given us a form of an accumulation if we go on a smaller time frame. Okay, we came down, we induced, we took lows, induced higher, took lows, induced higher, took lows, induced higher, took lows, and broke structure to the upside. This was broken to the upside. Now it'd be much better if we took this high here, and if we do, there will be another confirmation that we're bullish. In fact, if we do, I will be waiting for a retracement to buy this to the upside. We did bounce off of imbalance here just before reaching that fair value gap. We went higher. I'm not fully convinced for some reason that the low is in, but I'm definitely prepared to buy with the low if we take out this high, or if we come down here anywhere, fill in this imbalance and start to accumulate anywhere in this box or slightly below, I'm definitely buying. And I do think that is potentially the most likely case here. I've opened the EMAs. Any strong close above the 50 EMA is another confirmation for me. Bullish. Let me check the TDI. We are outside. That's nothing. We've just broken the 50 static and closed above. That is bullish. 15-minute time frame. This is looking impulsive. We've got a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get that 5, which I'm certain we're getting. We're going to have that close above here. We may even get a higher close. We may break the structure. We may get above the daily open, last week's daily open. Any of that is telling me all I'm doing from that point. So say price came up here, gave us a 5. At that point, we're looking for 1, 2, 3. Sorry about that, but you get what I'm saying. Looking for a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We're looking to go bullish on accumulation in this area. As you can see, the higher time frames imbalance is a bullish order block on the 15-minute time frame. Strong point of interest. We do have a bit of imbalance just below. If we come down for a 2 wave, I would not be surprised if we swept these lows into here and then came higher. But yeah, as I go down the time frames, I'm incredibly more bullish. I'm definitely more bullish. We're gonna have bullish divergence here. Clear bullish divergence starting from all the way back down here. over this wick. Since then, price is making lower lows. The RSI on the TDI, which is the green line, has done nothing but make higher lows. We've taken out this potential 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or a B wave extreme and an A, B, C. That is bullish. That is definitely bullish. So I don't actually have any doubts on being bullish now. I expect the market to do this on open. Something like this, and then we start coming down. If we don't get that, maybe we get this slightly deeper fourth wave, then an accumulation, go higher. Then we're looking for our 2 wave. But yep, that's exactly what I'm looking for in NZDJPY. When the market opens and makes any significant moves, I will update you and I can give you more precise price levels. We might even just catch a trade on the Asian session today. So yeah, if I was you, I'd comment, I'd subscribe. If you leave any messages for any charts that you'd like me to check out, just do that in the comments, and I'll be back later on. So thanks a lot, man. Peace.